Namaste, this is Rishikesh Writings, and today we are at the bank of River Ganga on Shatrughan Ghat. And today we are with Indra Udyanji. Indra Udyanji is the personality who is awarded by the President of India by the Padma Shri. It is a greatest award by the Indian government to given to a special person, a special work during the critical situation in the life. And we are with Indra Udyanji. Namaste, Indra ji.
Namaste, namaste.
Indra ji, how you connect yourself from India to Bali, and how the life transformation change this thought?
I think in past, if I believe the law of karma, in past of my life, I was in India. I was born in India. I love India very much since 1992, and I was first time here in Rishikesh. I was in Sivananda Ashram. Then I took Diksha. Swami Chitananda Maharaj from Chinmaya, from Sivananda Ashram was give me Bharat Chaitanya in that time. It means Bharat Chaitanya is just like you are becoming the son of Bharat in Indonesia. You will make a bridge between India and Indonesia. Then I got Guru Sri Guru Acharya Prabhuji Maharaj and Guruji Siddhartha Krishna from Omkarananda Ganga Sadan. When Ama Usa also is just like my family. From them also I got more knowledge about, from Siddhartha ji I got knowledge from the philosophy of life and Hinduism deep in Vedanta tradition. From Acharya Prabhuji's lot work about how a lot word of Gita. I learned lot Gita then from him also. Then of course from Amausa is yoga, and that is the combination philosophy, yoga and the tradition make me more strong. How actually the connection between Bali, Indonesia and India is already a long time ago, only in a different way. Then nowadays our idea how to preserve our heritage, promoting our culture, then connecting the people by people to people, like with you and me around 10 years we are already in friend. It's becoming like more understanding than many people from Rishikesh like Mananji, Manoj Dwivedi. It's just like a family here. Then I have so many like Adan Merhotra, then I have Swami Vedabharti. Then we are becoming in Rishikesh. I just feel at home. I never feel I'm far away, whatever I'm in Rishikesh.
So first time when the Gandhi comes in your life, and before you say the Gita is with you, you start reading a Gita, and then when was the first time the Gandhi implant in your life?
Actually, when I was learn and study about what is the when high school, there is some competition how to make essay on the who's person inspiring you. Then that time I was read autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. Then from that autobiography, I think this is the good person that I want to learn more. That I read the autobiography Mahatma Gandhi more and more and more. I don't talk about the politics. I'm not a politician also. Then I'm not inspiring by thought of Mahatma Gandhi for politics to get the power. That is good for the politician. But the spirit of Mahatma Gandhi is very deep, like the 7 social sins. Politics without principle, wealth without commerce without morality, education without character, pleasure without conscience, science without humanity, worship without sacrifice. That 7 social sin is come now. This is what is the situation now. This is come from the Mahatma Gandhi already mentioned many times about the 7 social sins. Then again also the thought of the earth produces enough for everybody's need, but never enough for anybody's greed. Now in the corona situation, how we are, no poor, no rich, we have money, we have credit card, where we are going?
We cannot spend.
We cannot spend. That was the simplicity life, harmony in our life. This is our contribution.
And share about your ashram, which you're running it. What that ashram do in Bali, and how this ashram connected and making a bridge between India and Bali.
First, my ashram is focused in education. We give poor students to study. I got thought actually from Mahatma Gandhi, if they are poor, we should come. Then we give scholarship mostly nowadays the people who study in the college. Then we give them whatever they study, medical college, architecture, civil engineering, economic, law, communication, and tourism, whatever. Then our idea, if we uplift them, empowerment the youth, it means one generation. Although they are very poor people, when they are success, they will make a circle for their family. That is my idea. Then since 2001, I make a project from my ashram Indonesia India Sangam. Then how I get chance to bring our student here. They learn together, learn within inside of the project. Therefore, we have good community, good friend here. Then give us so much inspiration how to promoting our life in the good way.
And how about the family life? If you talk about your family and how your family see growing you, like you are the star of your, like make proud of them.
Yeah.
What are their thought when they saw you?
First, I should say thanks to my father, mother, because they are give me land, building to start an ashram, and also grandmother who give me also land nowadays in the Sevagram ashram. That 3 person who's in my heart. Then all the guru. Then of course, when in the beginning my family, my mother, my father totally support. They are from the bank background. They're supporting from the salary also how to helping the poor. I learned from my mother how we should support the poor through the education. Then I implementation all those things in the ashram life. We give them education, give them its education with the character. The end of education is character. In our idea, how the character of our student is becoming more and more.
And what is your favorite state in India you would like to visit most?
All unique, yeah. Almost all unique.
Yeah, we have around 29 states.
Yeah, all state I love it, from Jammu Kashmir up to Kanyakumari, Himachal, Kerala. Every state, actually, this is the karma. If we are good, we will meet good people. If they are not good people, we don't like him, leave it. We are no need to fight with them. I don't aware. I don't care also when the people criticize everything, but we will have good circle. If we are good, our circle also always good.
And what is the biggest gift you love from India and you would like to take it?
Love from the people. You see everywhere the people like me here. In anywhere, you see in the picture how the Indian give pure love. That is the best gift India. Then Atiti Deva Baba. God, what is in form of the guest. That is your implementation is there. Therefore, even people say, oh, very poor. You see, people come to India more and more than always coming because love, pure love you have. Don't lose it.
This is the Indra Udyanji from Bali, and we will share the blessings to him. India will give him more and more blessings.
Thank you.
And
Mother Ganga always.
Namaste.
Namaste.